Hi guys, just wanted to do a really quick video on this system for the HMO that we're doing at the moment, and mainly focusing on the DAB Esybox and Esytank. So this is a mains boosting system that relies on a brake tank and a pump, and the reason that I prefer these over accumulators and pumped accumulators is that one, I've had nightmares I'm not going to get into with pumped accumulators in the past, being problematic out of the factory, and two, and the main reason is sound. These pumps are really quiet on the grand scheme of things. They're even really quiet compared to other mains boosters that are supposed to be coupled with a brake tank. So you can, this is the Esytank and this is the Esybox. You can buy them separately and choose your own tank, but it's nice and neat and quite compact when you couple them together. So I'm just going to go over this really quickly. So we've got mains coming in. We've got really good pressure and flow on the mains here. It's just dynamic we're struggling with, and we've got 6 bathrooms, which is 12 outlets. If you talk about the basins, and 2 kitchen sinks, so that's 14 outlets. The toilets are directly off the mains, so they're not pumped. So the dynamic was an issue here. We'll show you that in a little while. So your Esytank is just a one-piece unit, mains in, and you've got an outlet, pumped outlet down the side there. You've also got an overflow at the back that it's easier sometimes to pre-do that before you put the unit in and just leave a little bit of pipe hanging out. The pump itself, if you are coupling it with the tank, you just put 2 male irons in. They're like push fit male irons with rubber O-rings. It just sits down on the tank, push fit, and you undo this, and there's a locking pin that goes in there. Also comes with a pre-wired plug, which you'll see up there. So it is literally just plug and play. All you have to do is fit that to this unit, fill this unit up, do all your outlets, prime this with, I think it was 5 litres of water, and you're ready to go. This pump, don't quote me on this because I don't use these features, but I'm sure it goes up to 7 bar if needed. But it's preset to 3 bar now to match the pressure reducing valve of the unvented. So at the moment, this pump is off, and we're going to go and open some outlets. As you can see, the pressure and flow is pretty good. Under there is all your service, Jesus Christ, service pipe work, secondary return pump, zone valves and whatnot. So all working fine, pretty good pressure and flow. Not bad. Do this with my left hand. Starting to maybe dip a bit there. So that's 2 kitchen sinks, 2 showers and 2 basins. Definitely starting to dip there. We're really struggling now. Let's see if we can get anything else out. I can hear that shower's just stopped, by the way, I think, since I've opened that basin. Yeah, so what is that? So we got 1, 2, because I've opened that basin, 3, 4 basins, 2 kitchen sinks, and 2 showers. Before everything starts dying, I'll turn that basin off and that shower's just picking up again now. Right, so that's with the mains on. Make sure we turn everything off. So I've got this one. Jeez, forgetting lots of them. Don't need to go upstairs yet because we couldn't even get to the outlet. Right, so what we're going to do now is just close off, sorry, I'm just trying to lean over here. I'm going to close off the water mains and open up the boosted. So as I do this now, you'll hear this pump probably ramp up, so you'll hear how quiet it is in comparison to a lot of other pumps. So quiet. Now a lot of mains boosting systems, the closest thing that I can kind of compare them with is your old negative head pumps. That's what they sound like. They really rumble through a property. Whereas that, I would describe that as like a noisy extractor fan. Right, so now we've got boosted on 2 kitchen sinks. One basin, 1 shower. Now this is where it started to dip last time. We got this basin to work, but we couldn't get the shower to work. So we've got really good fresh air and flow there still. Shower's working a dream. What a treat. And then the real test will be this one all the way up in the heavens. What a bit of kit. So that is, what did we say? 6, 12, if you say shower and a basin, there's 6 bathrooms, 12 outlets, 14 outlets including both kitchen sinks, running simultaneously. Great bit of kit.